So hello guys, in this video I will show you how to create schedule on Zoho CRM. So for that you will need to open any web browser on your computer and type Zoho CRM on the search section, and after that you will need to select this first website. Now you have to log into your account right here and then click on your profile icon and then select Access Zoho CRM. Now you need to click on this settings icon. Go with this option called schedules. Now click on this button called create your first schedule. Now you need to fill up these details, and after filling up all of these details you just need to click on this button called save, and after that you have successfully created your schedule on your Zoho CRM platform. So that's how you guys can able to create your schedule on your Zoho CRM platform. And that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share it with your friends and also subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And thanks for watching.